Hey guys, this is Van. I'm here with a tutorial on how to make a YouTube title. This is a custom thumbnail for you guys, so that way, you can put all your information of your video in there. This is what I kind of came up with, kind of using some T-Swift lingo, you know what I'm saying? Alright, anyways, let's get started with the tutorial. You're going to go File, New, 1280 width, 720 height. Resolution is going to be 72. That's what YouTube needs you to do it to make these awesome thumbnails. You're going to hit OK. Perfect white background. Now you're going to go down, grab your image, you're going to drop it in. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Right about there. Trying to get this just to line up. Alright, there we go. Hit OK. Now you're going to hit E for your eraser tool because right now it thinks it's a smart layer. I really don't care about smart layers, so I'm going to hit OK. It's going to be saying I'm going to rasterize it. That's OK. Then what you're going to do is go to the background, hit Control J. Then you're going to Control click to select that background. You're then going to click on your layer of your picture and you're going to go Image, Crop. Now what that does is it makes it so that way it's all in your background. Now this is going to play a major point when we make this next shape, which you're going to go to the Shape tool, go to Rectangle. You're going to make sure there's no fill. That's what that red slash means. You're going to go over to Stroke, make sure it's white or whatever color you want it to be. I'm going white. We're going to make a 5-point stroke, and we're just going to click and drag. You can hold Shift if you want to make a perfect square. I don't want that, so I'm going to just go right about there. Now what I'm going to do is that we have this shape. I'm going to hit Shift and click to select our other layer. I'm going to go up here to Alignment Tools, click, click. Now we have a nice border around all the way around the edge with a nice little hipstery thin border. What we're going to do now is we're going to go in with the Type tool and you're going to click in there and we're just going to type away. Type your favorite, lyric or type, hipster. Let's just do, make sure you got the right color going white. Let's just do hipster title screen. My heart beats east. Only for you. Click OK. Boom, you got a nice little thing going here. Go ahead and hit shift click, and then we're just gonna center it. Boom, there. Now some of you might be thinking, Van, this is a little hard to read. How can I mess around with it? Well, I have the character tool over here, so I'm gonna go ahead, click that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit delete in here, hit space. I'm gonna go up all the way over here. And this is space in between the top and bottom. Gonna make that, go 75. Boom. Now let's say we wanted to make like one letter a little bit bigger than the others. Let's go here. Make sure you have all the stuff selected. We're just gonna go 90. Gonna go in here. 90. Yeah, even if you wanted to make it really big, you go 100. Boom, 100. 100. Now, you can kind of tell that it's kind of hard to see over here. So let's just go down. Have your type settings selected. go down to the effects tab, and you're just going to hit drop shadow. And just going to play around with it and kind of give it a nice little hipster glow. Alright? Now, if you wanted to play around with the size, you can just hit Control T, that brings up your transformation, and holding Shift and Alt while you click and drag, you can make it bigger. Boom! And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you wanted to, you can come in here and go hue saturation, kind of bring it down a little bit, maybe bring up the color, maybe change the colors a little bit, or you can even bring in the levels, kind of darken it up. There you go. See? That's all it takes to make a really nice YouTube title screen. Now, to save it, you're going to go File, Save As. Get to see everything how I name stuff. I'm just going to go to desktop. And what you're going to save it as is a JPEG. And let's just name it title screen. One. And then you just hit enter. Save it maximum. That's going to be fine. And that's the tutorial for this week. Look out for the next tutorial coming in the next couple weeks here. I don't know. If you could like, subscribe, comment, see what you want me to do next. Maybe it won't be so awkward next time. I don't know. We'll find out. Have a good one, and see you later.